Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Ensure your Mac has the required Mac OS and 1020 GB free. Then open the App Store and purchase or download Logic Pro X with your Apple ID. Once done, plug in your audio interface and MIDI controller. Use USB or Thunderbolt as appropriate, and attach headphones to avoid speaker feedback. This front-loading prevents driver and permission delays, so you can launch Logic with devices already present and focus on configuration next. Once your devices are connected, open Logic and go to Preferences Audio to select your interface, pick a sample rate like 44. 1K Hz, and set a buffer size that balances latency and CPU load. Next, create a new project and pick the right template, software instrument for MIDI, audio track for recording, so channel strips are ready. Then, in Preferences MIDI, confirm your keyboard appears and map controllers. Make sure input monitoring is enabled, and adjust track gain to avoid clipping while keeping a healthy signal. To finish, save a custom project template with your preferred routing, bus sends, and staple plugins so sessions start consistently. Then, install or update third-party audio units and run the Audio Units Manager scan. Restart Logic to ensure plugins load. If you run into problems, dropouts, no audio, or plugin errors, increase the I/O buffer size and sample rate, update interface drivers or firmware, and verify cables and USB hubs. For MIDI issues, rescan devices and toggle MIDI input. These steps fix most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.